I dreamed of a lighthouse, steady and tall. Through every storm, it won't let me fall. A voice that says you're more than enough, not a whisper of doubt, just unshaken love. I've walked alone, I've walked through fire. Now I want a match who lifts me higher. A man of my own who believes in me, who sees what I see, sets my spirit free. No shadows of scorn, no weight of disdain, just love like the sun, no room for the rain. Not asking for castles or diamond skies, just truth in his heart, no hidden lies. A hand that steadies when the ground gives way, who hears me at night.